Our latest tiled shower is complete. This is the Stonepeak Statuerrieto Classic cultured marble look. We have a line drain that runs wall to wall and then a small corner bench. We used PermaColor Select Grout for this. And so we have a lifetime warranty on our waterproofing with the Schluter system that's behind. We have lifetime warranty with the PermaColor Select Grout. Multifunction shower head again. And the thing I really like about this shower, I don't know, I've shown it a couple times here, is the line drain. What's really nice about this, that is 2 tiles on either side of the line drain that goes wall to wall. We just simply cut the tiles apart so that the tile pattern goes straight through like it's supposed to, so that that line drain just completely disappears. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to keep up to date with all of our latest videos and how-tos and tips and tricks and things like that. And then be sure to like us on Facebook as well. Thanks for watching.